Yeah, happy Women's Day from us to you all lovely ladies out there. And yeah, I'm back on my channel after almost 2 months if I'm not wrong. So the last time we met was in January. Dekh hi rahe ho aap meri halat. And I was very hesitant to go out of the house and even appear in photos and reels and stuff like that. But it's like कि चलो whatever, जिसको जो बोलना है बोल देगा, जिसको नहीं देखना है वो नहीं देखेगा, right? So the point of the whole video for today is we met on this channel, on my channel, before the treatment was to begin. That was while I was getting my teeth removed one by one, yeah, uprooted, extracted, whatever it may be. And it's almost been 2 months now since January, and now the current update is over to mom.
Okay, after removal, till then I had to pay for removing the teeth.
Oh my god,
And
she
now-
straight away jumped to the point, yeah.
And now getting the teeth fixed is her
Yeah, so this was
pocket crunching, I think. So.
yeah, it was quite
Okay,
a
anyway,
pocket crunching
I
experience.
do
So
this.
आमचं हे बोलणं झालं होतं लाईक इनिशियली लाईक की एक दोन दात काढत होतो आम्ही पर सिटिंगला. तर ते हां काढायचे तू दे, लावायचे मी स्वतः ओके. बट एनी हाव, सो it's hardly been plus 24 hours since the next step of the procedure was done. I want her to explain it to you,
Yes.
because all I was doing was like dozing off.
Initially she wanted me only to be besides her.
Let's start from the
And-
beginning. तुला काय वाटतं, काल प्रोसिजर होतं ना, तर त्याच्या आधी 48 hours 24 hours कसे गेले होते माझे?
हां, ऑफकोर्स इट्स क्वाईट नॅचरल. त्रास होत होता, म्हणजे मानसिक त्रास. अगं आई उद्या इंजेक्शन हे होणार, स्लीपलेस नाईट्स अँड ऑल पॉसिबल थिंग्स दॅट नो आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू गेट इट डन. It should happen that I'll sleep today and
I'll wake up
after 2-3 months with my teeth on and
मला
all
खूप
that.
भीती वाटते इंजेक्शन्सच्या ह्याची. ते जे प्रिक होतं ना,
क्वाईट नॅचरल आहे. I do agree. But I just kept on giving her a year of what all she was saying. After getting in there, she took her position in the chair and all that, and then she's telling me, after some time, call daddy. I said, wow.
हे बघ मम्मा, त्यांना फक्त एवढंच माहिती होतं आतापर्यंत की गेले, दात काढून आली आहे, दुखतंय, 2 दिवस झाले, ठीक आहे. बट ही हॅड नॉट सीन इट ना, तिने बघितलं थोडी होतं की ऍक्च्युअल काय त्रास होतो.
Okay, I get it now.
So
And okay, I was cool. I said, if I'm not wanted, I immediately gave him a call and said,
Yeah.
Baba, तुम्ही थोड्या वेळाने या, Swapna wants you here. And within 5 minutes, like when Jane, he was there. And he said, now you can go. I said, okay, my work is over, bringing her and putting in the chair. Now it is your responsibility to bring her out from the chair and bring it home.
I was getting bored after a
And
point.
then the procedure started. I too was seeing she was getting nervous, she was getting scared. So many
मी
things
खूप
were there.
मी ना इनिशियली हात आणि हे असं खूप टाईट अशी
पण मी
करत
तुला
होते.
सांगितलं की मसल्स सगळे जेवढे लूज सोडशील बॉडीचे तो you will get over it very fast because it finally reflects on the procedure also. आणि झालं प्रोसिजर सुरू झालं. मी पण व्हिडिओज बघितले होते नेमकं काय करतात वगैरे.
त्याच्यावर मी ओरडा खाल्ला होता ना, like आता भास्कर व्हिडिओ
Don't keep on because I had seen it also. Finally, I might not have shared with her because I didn't want to, but I was also not afraid, but I wanted to know what exactly is going to do to her. Like, and the doctor being very friendly, some bonding is. I was right from the beginning. I'm very familiar with him.
तो खूप असं नाजूकपणे हँडल करत.
He himself is so delicate and he knows how to. त्यांनी पण मला सांगितलं काकू तुम्ही गेलात तर चालेल. हां ओके. दॅट मीन्स ही डिडंट वॉन्ट मी देअर इन शॉर्ट.
त्याने 1 तास सांगितलं होतं ना, 1 तास वगैरे लागले.
आणि म्हणालेस आदल्याशी भेटला होता मला म्हणाला 11:30 पर्यंत मी इथेच आहे, मी जाणार नाही वगैरे.
त्यांची भेट झाली होती जस्ट अराउंड द कॉर्नर वगैरे म्हटलं.
And then when dad came, I was relaxed. I said, the right person is in front of her now to take all possible care.
But that stitches wala part, I literally.
That's what she could not tell me. But
Yeah.
then I asked her father.
Yeah, thank God she was not there. Bhai, during those stitches, the moment he told me stitches राहिले जातात, म्हटलं stitches कशाला? It's like फाडलं ना, आपण कट दिलंय ना त्या हिरड्यांना. अरे म्हटलं होय. तर मग ते सगळं झालं वगैरे, स्टिचेस हे ते. आणि स्टिचेस म्हणजे लिटरली थ्रेड आणि ती अशी कर्व नीडल होती आणि ऑल आय वॉज डुईंग वॉज लाईक त्याचे डोळे इथे, मी इथे, आणि अशी मला झोप लागत होती एका पॉइंटला. नको नाही नको नको ना. बघ सी दुखतंय मम्मा आणि
तू हसू नको,
तू हसवते
काय
नाही, होतोय त्रास. हे बघ हे असं असतं. ऑल आय डिड वॉज स्लीप येस्टरडे. आय बिलीव्ह किती तास झोपले मी का? 8 तास.
तिला कम्फर्टेबल केलं. मी येताना लस्सी आधीच आणली होती,
लस्सी आणि आईस्क्रीम इज ऑल दॅट आय हॅड.
सगळं दिलं आणि मग एक सपोर्ट दिला गालाजवळ चादरीचा आणि म्हटलं आता झोप. शी टूक अ पेन किलर अँड शी स्लेप्ट ऑफ.
आणि मग परत संध्याकाळी उठले. आय कुडंट ईट और ड्रिंक और हॅव एनिथिंग. परत झोपले 2-2.5 तास. परत
सोफा इन द इव्हनिंग.
Here is where I. So 24 hours later almost. Today is the second day after the implants. I've had
little bit of the screw. म्हणजे दात बसवले असं नाही, स्क्रू बसवले असं.
बरं बाई, स्क्रू बसवले. ठीक आहे,
ज्याच्यावरती दात बसवायची, कार्पेंट्री करायची.
Masonry, carpentry, whatever you wanna call it. Oh my God, it's going to be like
masonry will be putting on the bridge.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. So today I've had ice cream. I've had little bit of dal. चहा घेतला मी आज थोडासा. and yeah, that's it. So it's been a bit better. I even had my online classes for an hour and a half almost. So yeah, I'm feeling quite okay today. and yeah, 8-10 दिवसांनी जे स्टिचेस टाकले ते काढायला सांगितलेले आहेत. आय एम नॉट एबल टू ओपन माय माउथ फुल्ली येट, त्याच्यामुळे त्रास होतोय थोडा, बट that's about it. So that's all the update I wanted to give you all about my dental treatment. and I wanted mom to be here in the video because it's been long. केलाच नाही आपण एकत्र कुठला व्हिडिओ, राईट? सो मग
असा जोक वगैरे मी नसते तर जोक वगैरे नसते.
ते पण आहे. ओ माय गॉड, या ते पण आहे. सी आता कायच म्हणजे. Yeah, anyhow, so how my life has been in the past 2 months since the treatment has been on.
It was miserable because classes were on. She could not go out. There were so many functions which she could not attend. She didn't want to attend. In spite of me telling nothing is getting. It doesn't make any difference. But she was being a bit conscious. Anyway, it's okay. And I do understand that pretty faces will surely not want to present with toothless mouth and all that. Of course, she's pretty. That's what I'm saying.
At least presentable.
He's so good a doctor.
I know. That's what I was telling her yesterday also. Like he has changed his setup of the clinic a little bit, and I was pleasantly surprised. Like wow, change करून टाकलं ते.
This is the relation that we can even converse this with him.
Yeah, so I did ask him a few questions about the interior, and so I'm planning to gift him something post the treatment is done. So I'll have to start working on that. So let's see.
She has got a very nice way of, as she's an artist, she prepares small things which can be placed on the table.
Yeah, like a small little gift kind of.
So yeah, but a nice gesture. He will also appreciate and remember it also.
Apart from all that, emotionally it's been a tough 2 months. I have broken down here and there once or twice, but which I had kept so tightly inside, like ठीक हो जाएगा. But one or two incidences were there which she was with me that time, and I was like, what is this? I'm stuck inside the house and not able to eat anything properly, not able to go out, not do anything normal, this and that. But apart from that, I think I have taken this well. Right?
Yes, of course. That's what I said.
But so I'm glad that this is done, and I feel half the battle is won. And just a couple of more weeks, I'll be sorted. Okay. That's what my brother also said yesterday when he came from office and he saw me, like मस्त दिसते jawline तुझी एकदम chiseled आणि असं तसं, and then you will be fixed for life now once this is done and everything. I was like, okay, the things are loosening up a little bit, and I'm like त्याचं त्या मिझरेबल आणि असं ते ग्लूमी मूड मध्ये
ट्रॉमॅटिक सिच्युएशन मधनं बाहेर आली असं म्हणायचं.
सो या आय थिंक that's what is I think one good thing about me is like I bounce back.
तसं नसतं म्हणून जग फसतं.
सेम टाइम मम्मा मे बी त्याची दुसरी साईड ही पण असू शकते की दिस इज व्हॉट so many people show to you ki अरे हाँ ठीक है हे झाले, this is fine, but internally they might be going through something.
Of course, they try to keep your spirit up.
Right. all the update on my dental treatment, and I just wanted to come on here and once again wish you all lovely ladies out there, my subscribers and their friends and family who are women, a very happy Women's Day from me and mom. And bye bye all of you, and keep sending your good wishes and keep sending me your blessings, and I'll soon bounce back and I'll be back to normal. I'm very sure about that. Until I post some another video, take care, God bless, love you all, and ta-da.